What is up, everybody? I'm FaZe, and today we are going to unbox and review random tech products that YouTubers and other content creators get sent for free. Now, when I say free, there is a slight catch. Companies often mass email content creators in hopes that they will review their product. They may offer fees and additional partnerships, but I'm going to put that aside. I'm just going to review the emails, unbox the products, and see if they're worth advertising for content creators and worth buying for consumers. Everything in this video will be linked in the description. Hello, FaZecast. Hope you are all doing good, FaZecast. Oh, we're all doing great. This is Zeal from FiQuat. We kindly request a collaboration. Brand name FiQuat, product type SSD. May I know the rate of a video on your channel? So what they want to do here is send one of these SSDs in return for a YouTube short. We have a 1 terabyte M2 SSD. It's SATA. It's not NVMe, but this one is. So is this one. This one's pretty cool too. As is this one. This one's even better. And this one has a heatsink on it. I told them I would waive my fee if they sent a nice NVMe SSD for my streaming computer, so let's see what they send. Not an NVMe SSD, it's a SATA solid state drive. A 128 gigabyte Ediloca solid state drive model ES106. This is not what I was expecting. Inside the box, we have a user manual and the drive itself. Solid state drives like this one are great when upgrading from a hard disk drive. You can clone your old hard drive onto this SSD to increase performance for about $20. They are inexpensive, but you know what? So are NVMe SSDs, and they're faster than SATA. That's what I wanted, but they sent me this. I can't complain. This is still good. It's currently $18.99 on Amazon. You can get it up to 4 terabytes for $205.99, and it has 4.7 stars, so some really good reviews here. It's an affordable upgrade that boosts your PC or laptop. Very good SSD, inexpensive SSD that does the job. Fast and furious on new computer, works well. Look at this. We have 81% 5-star reviews and 3% 1-star. This is good. Stopped working. Item stopped working 3 months after purchase. Don't buy. Unfortunately, I'm just getting around to using this drive and I'm out of the return window. Getting nothing but errors when cloning an OS from another hard drive. Other drives work fine. Bummer, I'm out of the return window. 1 star for being out of the return window. You could have returned it and got a new drive. Let's plug it into my computer using this adapter and see if it works. All right, we have the new SSD plugged in and it's not showing up. So let's go to disk management. Right here, as you see, it says 119.23 gigabytes unallocated. So let's go to new simple volume. Next, we're going to go through the entire wizard. We're just going to keep on tapping next. It's set up for us. There we go. So when you're first using this drive, you might have to go into disk management and set up a new drive here. It works. It's showing up. And here's a picture of my bike. There we go. I know this brand pretty well. They're pretty good. They have great ratings. They're cheaper than Kingston. And I like them. I'd say they're safe to advertise and to buy. But make sure to test it when you first get it, so that way you can return it if it doesn't work. Hi, FaZecast. I hope you're having a good day as you receive this email. Thanks, I'm having a great day. I'm reaching out on behalf of GameSir about a potential partnership opportunity on your YouTube channel. This are links to our products we'll be collaborating with. Please check it out, or I can send it to you directly. You can choose one in any of the product. If you are interested in this review collaboration, we would love to send the product for you to review. And then they straight up ask me for my information. We have a wired Xbox controller. It has Hall effect sticks and customizable lighting. It's pretty cool. We also have this Xbox controller. It's basically the same thing, but with gold buttons. And then we have the GameSir G8 Plus Bluetooth mobile controller. What you will do here is stick your phone inside the controller right here, and you will pretty much have a Bluetooth controller that you can hold your phone with in front of your face. It makes it easier for mobile gaming in some cases. Here we have the GameSir G8 Plus Galileo wireless mobile game controller for Android, iOS, or Switch. Let's open it up. And here's the controller. It looks really nice. It's packaged well too. What's inside the box? Inside the box, we have a USB-C cable, a manual, additional information like ways to contact them, and a GameSir sticker. Okay, we have some joysticks down here. They are all different too. This one looks stock, and then we have 2 other ones. So here's the GameSir G8 Plus Galileo wireless controller straight out of the box. I see wireless controller here. It's pairing. I have not read the instructions yet, but the way you do this usually is you put your phone in just like this, and there you go. It's locked in. There's a USB-C port down here. We have an L4 and an R4 button on the back. 4 up top, and buttons all around. All right, let's go look at this. It works. It is pretty wide on the hands. It's kind of like riding a small bike. It is comfortable when you have your elbows on a table or a desk. I'd say it looks great and it works well, but I want to see what reviews say about it. It's currently $79.83 on Amazon. It has 4.2 stars, which isn't bad. This person says a life-changing device for those into gaming with a mobile phone. Wow, what a product. This has changed the way I interact with my phone forever. I did, however, have a heck of a time getting the product as it was marked as undeliverable at the out for delivery stage of the order. I don't think being undeliverable and out for delivery is really their fault. That has everything to do with the last mile of shipping. Stop! Don't buy! Don't buy. This product works as advertised for about 3 months, and then the USB charger stops working. This seems like the biggest complaint, and I didn't listen to those reviews. Before you waste $60, listen to all the reviews that have complained about the USB breaking and not being able to charge your device as you play. This isn't worth losing $60. So far for me, no issues, but I just opened it up. And like everyone says, it feels very nice. It feels very sturdy. It does feel well made, like a nice piece of machinery between my hands. So for now, I'm going to have to say that I like it. Hello, Facecast. Hope you are all doing good. Who is all of us? Who do you think I am? One person. We kindly request a collaboration. Brand name, MT/VIKI. Product type, MT/VIKI Stream Dock. This product will be given to you, and we look forward to exchanging our product for a YouTube video. Will this work for you? Here is the MT-VIKI MT-VIKI Stream Deck 15 keys. Let's open it up. We have one long USB-C cable, one stand for the Stream Dock, one MT-VIKI Stream Dock, a quick start guide, and 3 sticker skins. This is where you plug it in. We have rubber feet on the bottom, and you can adjust this mount to put the Stream Dock in a more comfortable angle. Here we go. I have it plugged in. These are some shortcuts that are just automatically programmed. We can move it along to some bookmarks here. We can view the time across the world, access different drives, and more. We can control music, and this is a little custom setup I did myself. The MT/VIKI Stream Dock comes with software that is easy to install and customize your Stream Dock with. You can add different actions to whichever button that you want. You can even change the title and the image. Okay, now we're going to add the game Vampire Survivors to the Stream Dock. Let's take open, put it right here. Here's the shortcut for the game, and let's change the image. We can crop, we can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can choose the original image, and there we go. Let's get rid of the title, and there we go. We have it on the first button here. It's currently $99 on Amazon, and it has 4.2 stars out of 5. 0 1-star reviews. Here's a good review. Great for streaming, but handy for everyday use. I got this to improve my stream setup, and as expected, it's really handy for that. It's easy to use to change scenes and other features in OBS. But I'm also surprised how useful it is for everyday stuff. I've set up some buttons to do things like open Spotify or boot up a game. It's very premium feeling, and it's much better value than the big name brand version of this. Overall, I recommend this to not just streamers because the possibilities are endless. It's pretty hard to find a bad review. Here's a 2-star review. It's kind of long though. I'm really not comfortable with this. I'm sure for some people this will be a fantastic device, and I can see how it might be incredibly useful to some. But I have to say, I had a very difficult time setting this up and using it. So what happened? First up, I'm a Mac user, and my computer was not at all happy about downloading the app. The only way I could download the app was to ignore and override the system security. I'm not comfortable doing that. When I did this, I was able to mirror what was on the screen with what is on the Stream Deck, and by touching the buttons, I was able to open various pre-programmed websites. Okay. The instructions leaflet isn't helpful if you're a Mac user, and it doesn't in any way correspond to what you see on the screen. Maybe if I had more experience of these things or ran Windows, maybe if the instructions were better, but I don't, and they aren't. On the plus side, build quality seems okay, though the stand is a bit flimsy. This Mac user had a nightmare time using it. They also provided some images here. There is something on the back that says key123.vip/Mac, and that's actually going to install the Stream Dock installer for Mac. So maybe that person used the Windows installer. Unfortunately, I don't have a Mac, so I can't test that. Let us know if you are a Mac user who has tried this in the comments below, because I've had 0 issues using it. I would have to say that the Stream Dock is great for creators. You're getting a free Stream Deck, a free Stream Dock, and also great for consumers, but you might want to double check if you're a Mac user. I'm Cora from CAMDUCK team, and I sincerely hope to start working with you. CAMDUCK has all always been committed to providing innovative hidden camera solutions, and we pride ourselves on quality, creativity, and user experience of our products. We would be happy to provide you with this product free of charge and look forward to you creating a video at least 3 minutes showcasing your unique ideas and perspectives. They're also offering an affiliate program. I said yes. They asked me for my information, such as my address. I gave it to them, and then they're like, by the way, can you purchase from Amazon? Sure, we will reimburse you via PayPal refund. Is this acceptable for you? Sometimes companies do this to boost their sales on Amazon. It's a little weird, whatever. So they said they would pay me back. They should have paid me about 3 days ago, but they never did. This is the CAMDUCK hidden camera. Here we have the camera itself, the fake smoke detector. The camera should be in here, and we have a button right here. This is the bottom. You can slide it off. The battery will go here. But first, let's see what else we have inside the box. One USB-C cable, something that looks like a guitar pick, screws, a USB flash drive, a user manual, and a CAMDUCK branded 128 gigabyte memory card. There are actually 3 versions of this. You can just buy the camera itself. You can buy the camera and the memory card, which is what I did. Or you can buy the camera, the memory card, and a 18650 industrial battery. For reference, this is not a AA battery. This is a AA battery next to it. It's a little bit bigger. We can put the memory card in here, and this is where we can plug it into the USB-C cable. I installed the CAMDUCK app on my phone and on an Android emulator. I noticed that you can actually view and adjust the camera from multiple devices at the same time. Check it out. Here's my hand over here. And also, here's my phone. So as you see, I am using it from multiple devices at the same time. With this software, we can do things like change it to 1080p, change it back, improve the quality, rotate the camera, and spin it around. We can also zoom in and kind of like move around like this. I would have to say that the camera quality and the software are both great. I think they're better than my home security camera, which cost more money. The software is easier to use. The camera looks better and is easier to control. So I like it. Let's go for a spin. It's currently $72.99 on Amazon with 3.5 stars. It looks like a smoke detector, but better. If you are looking for a spy camera, this one is very good. The picture quality is very clear. The camera is a full PTZ enabled camera, so you can move it around and get a full 360-degree shot of the room it is in. It comes with a battery that you can charge, or you can hook it up to your normal house wiring for 24-hour-a-day viewing. The app is very user-friendly with common sense controls. Setup was pretty easy, but wish the directions were a bit bigger on the page, as I am old and they were hard to read. Let's find some bad reviews. This has 30% 1-star reviews, 57% 5-star reviews. Some would say that reviews are mixed. Not working, not a good product at all. It doesn't stay on. Not good, didn't even connect. Would not connect, would not work. Won't connect to internet. I really wanted this and tried for several days to get it to work. Would not connect to internet. I did not have any issues getting it to connect. However, I have noticed that it might take a little bit of extra effort to turn it on and turn it off. Sometimes you have to do it multiple times for it to react. And man, this thing drains batteries very quickly. I would have to say that it's an okay product. The camera quality is good. The app is good. If you're a content creator, keep note that it did take me 9 days to get paid back. So it's okay for content creators, and I think it's a pretty good purchase for consumers. But it does look like a smoke detector, so don't use it for weird purposes. You can totally trick people and then spy on them, which is weird. Don't do that. Hi Facecast, hope you're doing quite well. This is Crystal from OBSBOT Marketing Team. We have noticed the content on your YouTube channel, which is excellent and aligns with our brand positioning. We sincerely invite you to collaborate with us. So what they have here is essentially an AI controlled camera. It's 4K, it has auto tracking, auto zoom, gesture control, and more. If you are interested, please feel free to contact me and I will be happy to share more information with you. What they want me to do is make a short going over the features of this camera. So let's do it, because AI cameras are sick. Everyone's using them. The OBSBOT, however you pronounce it, 4K AI camera is here. Let's open this bad boy up. We have one user manual, warranty policy, a USB-C adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable. If you have a computer without USB-C, you can use this adapter here. And here's the camera itself. Check it out. We have a cute little AI camera here. It reminds me of WALL-E, a little robot. It is so adorable and it spins around. Has a cute little head here. You can mount it on the bottom, and it's just a really cute looking camera. Look at it. I can see why AI and AI cameras are becoming very popular. As someone who creates content on YouTube, I don't have to set up the camera and adjust it. It's going to adjust itself. I can use gestures to zoom in and zoom out. And if I get up and walk around, the camera is going to follow me around like my own personal cameraman. Check this out. So we can go over here, we can move around. It's going to follow me everywhere I go. I'm melting and it's following me. I'm right here, camera. Hi. It also comes with the software here where you can do a lot of things. You can change the image, how it focuses, AI human tracking, and a lot more. You can even retouch the quality and add filters. It's currently $179 on Amazon with 4.3 stars. Web streamers, this is an awesome camera. Wow, I watched a fellow streamer do a review of this camera and I was sold on it. The way you can hold something up to the lens and then have it refocus on you is phenomenal. The tracking for when you move about is fantastic. You cannot go wrong for the money. Let's check out some bad reviews. Doesn't connect. I have Windows 11 HP laptop and it doesn't detect the camera. I have scoured the internet for help, downloaded multiple firmware updates and the OBSBOT Center, and it still doesn't connect. The only help is an email address. Unless you are a tech wizard, buy a different one. I don't know what type of issues they are having, but they should just contact support. I have not run into anything like this myself. I think the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite 4K webcam is a great camera for everyone, content creators and consumers. And for a limited time, you can use the code on the screen to get a discount on their website and on Amazon. So if you're looking to get an AI camera, now's the time. What was your favorite product? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to know more about something in this video, check out the links in the description. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.